Oh God. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here. So I'm Amy Marashi and I post videos about cooking, cleaning, review videos, crafts, and now Vlogtober. So be sure to hit the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna be painting this pumpkin, which I am trying to actually strategically hide the clothing I have on the couch that needs to be put away. It's folded. Look at the pumpkin. Okay. Anyways, so I'm just gonna switch the view right here. This is terrible lighting though. Okay, so today we are gonna be painting this pumpkin. It's kind of like a weird shape, but I'm gonna make this work. So I actually purchased some glow-in-the-dark paint. So I'm really excited. I've wanted to do this for such a long time. I don't know why I didn't do it before, but anyways, I'm excited. Let's go paint. Okay, so you might be wondering, like, why am I painting a pumpkin? Why don't I carve the pumpkin? And that's only because carving it is a lot of work. It's disgusting. I don't enjoy it at all, but I do love painting. I will literally paint anything. It might not even look good, but I don't care because I have fun doing it. So check out this little guy. I'm gonna call him Jack. Super cute until I make eyebrows. Now he looks angry. But that's okay. I love him anyways. Okay, so I have pulled out the glow-in-the-dark paint. So this is a white glow-in-the-dark type of paint. It says on the label, it says indoor or outdoor. But by outdoor, I don't really know if that means like Texas outdoors or just regular outdoors. But I'm guessing that we're gonna find out soon. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking, just enjoy the spooky music as you watch me paint Jack. Done. Kind of want to test it out. Let's go into this dark room. I don't have a lot of hands. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, you can't really see the stripes, but you can kind of see the stripes. Okay, I am way too excited. I'm gonna have to put this on the front porch right now.